14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. He didn't give me a name, so I don't know what team he's on.
I was on.
Well, that whatever that guy, last guy just tagged us.
I'm not even shooting. I don't even have a bag in.
Okay. We're not gonna be able to get. I'm just gonna block this guy from the window from you. You keep shooting that window there. I'm not hit.
Oh.
I'm just standing here.
People.
What do you think? You want to make a break over this hill and take the guy in the... Don't shoot my shoulder. You just got hit.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
You're recording this, are you?
Yes, I am. Shoot over my shoulder again. Just don't shoot my shoulder.
Oh, come on, I hit your ass. Oh.
Remember that guy's up in that window. Or he was.
Ready.
Just back up, yeah. Damn, it's slick. Hit. I'm hit, so.
You're good.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hit.
Kill it. Put your hand on him. Put your hand on him. Put your hand on him. Get directly behind him so you can't get hit. That was right in the ass. That was right in the leg.
Alright, I'm good.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Stay there, don't move.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16.
I'm getting to cover after this. You're good.
Okay. What do you want to do? Take this building over in front of us? Which way are we going?
Get him soon.
Which way are we going?
Left.
Left?
Good.
You're left.
Yes.
Okay.
Hey guys!
We're on the same team,
There's a
right?
guy in the creek. Are they hit?
Let's just slowly walk. Don't run. Just slowly walk.
This way. Don't look suspicious. We're very.
Oh, yeah. Tristan down here.